In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix controller not working or not detected in NFS Unbound. So first you'll go to Steam, you'll go over here under Steam and then settings, controller. So here under controller, if you had a controller connected, you should be able to see some settings. However, you will have to go here to settings. And then here you'll search for Bluetooth. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have Bluetooth turned on, and then you'll go down, and here is where you see all of the connected devices. So if you have any controller connected, you should be able to notice it over here, and it should look something like this: wireless controller. So what you'll do here, if you don't find it here, you can actually check over here down below as well. And even if here you can't find it, then what you'll do is you'll go to more devices and printer settings. So here you should be able to see wireless controllers. So this is where you basically are able to see whether your controller is detected or not. So what you can do is, if it's not detecting, you can click troubleshoot, and this can help you fix any errors with the controller. And troubleshoot actually takes you to this place. And if you go here, you'll go to other troubleshooters and you'll find the one which says Bluetooth. So you'll run this Bluetooth troubleshooter, and if there's any recommended options to solve your issue, this will basically tell you. So this will search the internet for any suggested options for you, and hopefully this could help you solve your issue. However, what you can do also is go to device manager over here. So over here, what you'll do is go to the one where it says Bluetooth and just make sure that it is enabled. So if it's enabled, you can go to update the driver and also update the driver for this device as well. And then you'll go down here where it says mice, and where it says, this one, mice and other pointing devices, and check if you can see your controller over here. Normally it would show over here. And if it does, what you'll do is just make sure it is enabled. So after you enable it, you obviously want to check if it has a software update, so you can just make sure you update it. And once you do this, you can try restarting your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.